This lemon branch had no roots just weeks ago. Neither did this mango or pear. Most people fail because their cuttings dry out before roots can form. The secret is simple. Keep the cutting hydrated, use a clean growing medium, and create the perfect humid environment. Start with a healthy branch and cut just below a node using a sharp blade. Remove the lower leaves and make a clean 45-degree cut at the base. Coat the cut end with fresh aloe vera gel. Then lightly dust it with cinnamon to protect against fungal rot. Plant it in moist perlite or a mix of clean sand and unfertilized soil. Water it with fresh willow water. Keep the medium moist, never soaked. Cover the cutting with a clear plastic container to lock in humidity. Place it in bright, indirect light. Avoid opening the container for the first week. The biggest mistakes are opening the lid too often, using heavy fertilized soil, and overwatering. After a few weeks, healthy white roots will appear. Once the roots are strong enough, transplant the cutting into regular potting soil. Follow these simple steps. Even difficult fruit trees like lemon, mango, and pear can root successfully.